Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you, especially if you're in the business of creating websites or just looking to step up your digital game. If you've ever dreamed of building stunning websites without needing a degree in web development, or if you're someone who's tired of spending hours designing a page, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're diving into a tool that I've recently come across called SightBuilder AI, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. Now, we've all seen website builders before. Heck, some of us have probably used them, tried to drag and drop elements around, and spent what felt like forever tweaking things just to make sure the site looks halfway decent. But SightBuilder AI? This thing takes website creation to a whole new level. It uses artificial intelligence to generate entire websites in just minutes. And I'm not talking about basic cookie-cutter websites either. We're talking about professional, responsive, and visually stunning websites that are ready to go live almost immediately. So how does it work? It's pretty simple, actually. You start by entering a keyword or an idea, whether it's something like organic gardening or best fitness gadgets of 2024 or even something specific to your business. And SightBuilder AI will instantly generate high-quality content and designs. Yeah, you heard that right. It's not just about the layout either. The AI goes ahead and writes the copy for you too. The best part? It doesn't just throw together some random text. The content is optimized for engagement and relevance to the theme or industry you've chosen. This makes it ideal for creating anything from blogs to landing pages to full-on business sites. But here's where it gets even cooler. Once SightBuilder AI creates the basic structure, you're not just left with a template that you can't customize. It gives you access to a super easy drag-and-drop editor that lets you fine-tune every little detail. Want to change the text, swap out an image, or even completely redesign a section? No problem. The customization process is smooth, intuitive, and totally up to you. The editor even allows you to tweak the layout, adjust colors, fonts, and add animations. You're basically the director of your own website creation process, but without the complicated coding or tech headaches. And I've got to say, this AI-powered platform is not only fast, it's also impressively smart. Let's talk about the features for a second. SightBuilder AI includes an AI content writer, which means you don't have to sit there staring at a blank page trying to come up with copy. It generates engaging, well-structured text that flows naturally. There's also an AI outline generator that organizes your website's layout based on best practices, so you don't have to worry about getting the structure wrong. When it comes to visuals, this tool doesn't leave you hanging either. It has an AI image finder, so you can search for the perfect visuals to fit your theme. And there's an integrated media library to keep all your assets organized, which is honestly a lifesaver if you're creating multiple pages or sites. Whether you're looking for photos, videos, or even vector graphics, SightBuilder AI pulls in millions of searchable stock images and videos, so there's no need to pay extra for expensive image subscriptions. But wait, it gets even better. The sites you create with SightBuilder AI are fully responsive, meaning they look great on any device. Mobile, tablet, desktop, it doesn't matter. The AI automatically optimizes the layout for a smooth user experience, so you don't have to worry about how your site will perform on different screens. Plus, the design options are endless. You've got light and dark modes, animated layouts, customizable filters for visuals, and even the ability to add interactive buttons and elements with just a click. For those of you who need to get your website found, SightBuilder AI doesn't leave you in the dark either. It includes built-in SEO tools to make sure your site gets noticed by search engines. And if you're serious about tracking performance, there's an analytics dashboard where you can monitor your site's traffic and conversions, which is a must if you're running an online business. Now, I know some of you are probably wondering, okay, this all sounds great, but how easy is it to use? Honestly, it's so simple that you could have a website live within minutes. The entire process is streamlined from start to finish. The AI takes care of most of the heavy lifting, and you just add the personal touches you want. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it, which is why I think it's perfect for creators, business owners, marketers, or even anyone just looking to build a personal blog or portfolio. And if you're someone who works with clients, SightBuilder AI offers an agency commercial license, which means you can create websites for others and charge a premium for your services. It's a pretty amazing opportunity, especially if you're looking to start a freelance web design business. Finally, let's talk about pricing. SightBuilder AI offers a pretty affordable plan with all these amazing features, and they've got a founder's deal that gets you access to the platform at an even better rate. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a fast, efficient, and affordable way to build high-quality websites, SightBuilder AI is definitely worth checking out. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this gives you a better idea of how SightBuilder AI can help take your website game to the next level. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts about the tool. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.